little cabin. Make a little cabin, plant a big garden, and look out over the sea. Yeah. Over the sea and decide who I'm gonna be. 'Cause I'm a little lumberjack. I'm a little lumberjack. That's right, I'm the little lumberjack. And you're the big tree. Gonna cut you off at the knees now. I'm the little lumberjack. Chip away. Chip away. He's gonna own that lumber mill one day. Ain't gonna waste no precious time digging holes in the ground looking for gold mines. You'd rather see the sunshine. Chip away. The little lumberjack. Chip away. Up next to a big tree, chop it down with my axe. God knows I'm a nature's child. Nature